In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a category and add it to a WordPress menu step by step. This is perfect if you're building a blog, news site, or any content-based website and you want your visitors to easily navigate posts by category. We'll go from the WordPress dashboard all the way to assigning categories to posts, so make sure you watch till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin area and go to your dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage everything on your website, including themes, posts, and menus. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to make sure you're using a theme that supports menus properly. Go to Appearance, then click on Themes. From here, install and activate the Astra theme if it's not already active. Astra is lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works perfectly with WordPress menus. After activating the theme, you're ready to create your category. Now, from the left-hand menu, go to Posts and then click on Categories. This is where you can create and manage all your post categories. In the Add New Category section, enter the name of your category. You can also add a slug and a description if you want, but those are optional. Once you're done, click Add New Category, and your category will be created instantly. Now that your category exists, the next step is to add it to your WordPress menu so visitors can access it easily. Go to Appearance, then click on Menus. If you don't already have a menu created, create a new one and assign it to the primary menu location. On the left side, you'll see a category section. Expand it, select the category you just created, and click Add to Menu. You'll now see the category appear in your menu structure. You can drag and drop it to change its position, making it exactly where you want it in the navigation. Once you're happy with the menu layout, click Save Menu to apply the changes to your website. Now, there's one final and very important step. You need to assign posts to the category you just created. Go to Posts, then click All Posts. Find a post you want to assign, hover over it, and click Quick Edit. In the Category section, tick the checkbox for your new category, then click Update. Repeat this for any other posts you want to include in that category. Once this is done, clicking the category link in your menu will display all posts assigned to it. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to create a category and add it to a WordPress menu, and also how to assign posts to that category. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.